What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to make some serious cash in 2023? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're gonna be breaking down the hottest ways to make money in the new year. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's get started. Number 1. Video production. The rise of video content and platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Video production is becoming a profitable industry. Whether you're filming your own vlogs or creating content for brands, the demand for video content is only going up. So, if you have a knack for filming and editing, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Number 2. Online tutoring. The world moving towards online learning. Online tutoring is becoming a popular way to make money. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching students online. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with students from all over the world. Number 3. Dropshipping. E-commerce is booming, and dropshipping is a great way to get in on the action. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about holding inventory or shipping products. All you have to do is find a product to sell, and the supplier will handle the rest. Platforms like Shopify and AliExpress make it easy to get started. Number 4. Online trading. With the advent of online trading platforms, it's now easier than ever to invest in the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you can make money by buying and selling stocks online. Platforms like Robinhood and TD Ameritrade provide a user-friendly interface and educational resources to help you get started. Number 5. Podcasting. Podcasting has been around for a while, but it's still a great way to make money. If you have a unique perspective or expertise on a particular topic, you can start your own podcast and monetize it through advertising and sponsorships. Platforms like Anchor and Spotify make it easy to get started. Conclusion: those are just a few of the many ways to make money in 2023. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and run with it. Whether you're filming videos, tutoring students, or dropshipping products, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Remember, the sky's the limit, and the only limit is you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this.